Hey everybody, I got my condo mounts TV mount in the mail today. I'm going to do a quick little unboxing video. Show everybody how they get you ready to mount your TV. Zebozap. Nice packaging. Got your instruction manual. That is awesome actually. Really simple. Lots of pictures, only 5 steps. Holding mountain hardware, nice quality. It's like stainless. Mounting, all lettered. That'll make it nice and easy. Heavy. You know, it's a really good quality. This bolts on this thing. Look at the bolts on this thing. Golly. That's awesome. How's the ground here? These are the reinforcement brackets. So let's give it a whirl. Let's go out there and mount this baby up. Let's go. Okay, for this job we're going to need a drill, our level, screwdriver, tape measure, some tips, an Allen key which is supplied by Zebozap, of course, our mount, and our beautiful 55-inch TV. So let's get to work. Usually, if I'm ever hanging a TV or anything really, and they give you this supplied hardware, it's usually a little cheaper. Not in this case. They give you 4 nice lag bolts, these solid molly screws, and washers. So you're set. I mean, you get this mount, you don't need nothing else. That don't hold it, it's just too big. So here's a check in the right direction.
Ain't going nowhere. Simple as that. Now you just got to run your cables, get your smart TV hooked up to your Wi-Fi, and you're all set to go.